What is going on, guys? It is Monday and we are back in the shop, and I have figured out something that you can do with the GoPro mounts that come with your camera. What can I do with the mounts that come with my GoPro? I have another one somewhere. What I want to do is have a mount in my shop where you can see what I'm doing and have a good view and good lighting. I am going to take this and mount it right here. I can put my camera right in there and have it looking down so you have a view like this. I want to have good lighting, but the thing is, I gotta get lights put here, one here, maybe two, and then one or two over there on the shop side. Look, it's how it moved. So I may go ahead and take a couple screws and screw that in right there. I don't really need big holes, but I want pilot holes. I want to make sure this will stay put and won't fall down. I got a vacuum. I want to drill right here and here, but I really only need two. So I'm gonna mark on this side. I have a block to put down here and drill right there. One hole. Two holes. So then I can mount it. I gotta get out my star drill bit. So stay up there. I got one screw. It's only 1 1/4 inch. Got one. Make sure it's level. We are level. Number 2. Sweet. Now, check it out. Now, I can put that up there. It's up and out of the way. And now you can see what I'm doing. All right, Al. So the plan is I want to go from here all the way to here. So I'm right at 5 feet. So I'm gonna take my tape and measure out 5 feet, cut it, and then do it on a 45. You shall see. All right, so I have my 2x right here. Two 2x. Now, 5 feet. We'll make my mark. Okay. I got my square. Five feet, gut power, make my cut. There we go. We'll cut once here and then here. Right now, I'm going to clamp it. So I can turn it around and get the same cut. Okay, right on. Now the boards are aligned still. Make sure it's up on the fence. There we go. Now that we have our boards cut here and flush, I'm gonna put on that bit that I got right here, 1 1/4 inch hole Irwin speed bore, right on. So then we can mark our holes and get them lined out so I can kind of get an idea of how many rods and reels I can get on this board. I think I want to go ahead and line them out 3 inches from each other. So maybe 2. So I can take an offcut, and this one is, I want a 3 inch. I will cut it from here. I have a block of cedar here. So we got a straight edge here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark 3 inches. So we'll start at 3 inches. 3 to 6 inches. So we're at 3, got out our square, mark it there, mark there, and then mark here, and make our cut. Then we'll have a block that we can space out. That is a freaking giant bass. Heck yeah, guys. Let's take a break, come out here with my black and blue chatterbait, and freaking spank this fat mama. Humongous fish. All right, guys, so I had a change of plans. I went to the store and I grabbed some 1x4x8 and drilled the holes and then mounted them up there with those brackets. And tomorrow I'll show you with more lighting, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of my rods and reels that I use the most. And now it's all up high, out of the way. And Wednesday, I'll be working on my pegboard here, getting that squared away. We are 6 away from our next giveaway. So what I'm gonna do is, I have Eon's buttloads of Dip Creek lures that I want to give away. This whole thing right here, all of them, boom, going bye-bye. I will have more deeds as we go on, but for now, get in there and edit the footage. I have my stands all glued up for the bench, there, and there. Gotta make it do. I hope that you enjoyed. It is a beautiful day. A bit windy, but I'll make it work. Tomorrow, I'll show more footage of the rods and how I made those. Have a good night, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Deuces.